Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Lyft. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for your rides using PayPal. How do you actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Lyft? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft. Then click on You on the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Payments. Next, scroll down even further and click on Add Payment Method, then click on PayPal. So now it's going to prompt you to log into PayPal so that you can connect PayPal with your Lyft account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.